We're going to
in the ship.
okay.
Okay guys, these are from the hurricanes that the ship is carrying like a storm surges, tsunamis. If you need it, everyone prepare, there's a hurricanes.
The storm neighbors. Last effect G major 7 clouds.
Oh no, huh?
We are
Hey, that's
tsunamis. We are about
gonna die.
the ship
Baby,
destroyed.
Everyone, we have to learn the tsunami will be gone. Everyone, we will prepare about the tsunami. We have to stop the tsunami immediately.
Let's start this idea. Everyone, look, there's a boat. Oh, wow, nice. Teenager egg like moon. Good. Remember this typhoon Goonie. We have to learn this. The tsunami will be gone until the typhoon, the hurricanes will be gone. They're not typhoons. It's not typhoons. Hurricanes is a launch storms. It can like new loss affects you major 7s clouds or can be a hurricane warning. Did you saw this typhoons going from the Philippines?
When a ship will be sank by the tsunami was the finally destroy the ship. It don't mean the ship. The ship was to collapse onto the tsunami warning.
Oh yes. Wow, wonderful loss affects G major 7 clouds. The navy clouds is the hurricanes and tsunamis.
Benji, are you okay? I lost my mom and dad. Did you see Benji? Benji, I don't love you. That's okay, Benja. You are finally still alive. Where is the creatures?